In this video I will show you how to delete all saved passwords from Google Chrome web browser. In a running web browser, click on the three dots in the top right corner. Once the menu appears, click on Settings. By the way, subscribe to our channel to see more helpful videos. Let's continue. Next, open the Privacy and Security section. Click on the Delete Browsing Data section. Click on the Advanced tab. Here, first select the time range for which you want to delete your saved data. I'm going to leave all time. Next, select which data you want to delete. In our case it is passwords and other sign-in data. After that, click the Delete Data button. The data will be deleted. Thank you for watching.